Painting a stripe or two-tone. Sometimes you will need to paint a stripe or to create a two-tone wall where two colors are separated by a neat straight line. In this video, I will show you how to do it. Once you have worked out where the line needs to be, take a ruler and mark the wall. You could also use a spirit level or tape measure to get the line straight. I had a windowsill to use as my measuring point, and where the sill ended, I needed to use a spirit level to continue the line. When sticking the masking tape to the wall, start from one end and then check further down the line to see that it is lining up and press down lightly. Once the line is up and straight, use a ruler or credit card to rub it down firmly. This is very important. Now we paint a light coat, moving horizontally along the tape. This seals off the edge between the tape and the wall. Once this light sealer coat has dried, you can give it a second thicker coat. So the second coat has now been applied. As soon as it dries, we can start painting with the roller. Because the tape is already sealed, we do not need to worry about the paint getting in behind the tape. You can roll up and down, left and right, and work the paint in so that you cannot see where the brushwork and roller have joined. As you can see, we still need another coat. I lay the paint down thick first, and then using the roller with less paint, I roll and smooth the paint, pressing harder to even out the surface. Once you cannot see that line between the brushwork and the rolled paint, you have covered it sufficiently. Now before the paint dries, let's remove the tape. It is easier and will prevent the paint from cracking if it was dry. As you can see, this line is perfect. No paint bled behind the tape. The result is great. Now just leave the paint to dry. You can use this technique to paint two-tone walls or stripes. You could even do squares, diagonal lines or curves. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe and like. It encourages us to make more videos like this.